Hello, dear food lovers. This recipe works great on a grill, smoker, or kettle grill. And as I'll show, it also works in the oven for those who enjoy a mix of fruity and savory flavors. Especially for fans of toast Hawaii, it's a real treat. We require a pineapple and bacon or any kind of ham too. For the filling, turkey breast is great, but chicken or even duck works too. A vegetable filling is also possible. We require either orange or apple juice, and for marinating we need salt, pepper, and teriyaki. Alternatively, barbecue sauce or a homemade marinade will do. We need skewers. These can be toothpicks, roulade needles, or kebab skewers. Start by slicing the meat into 1-inch thick strips, then add salt and pepper for seasoning to taste as desired afterward. Turn them over and season the other side too. Then gently place them in a bowl or on a deep plate. Drizzle teriyaki sauce over the meat, mix it well, and allow it to marinate for a while. Marinate for at least half an hour in a cool place. Meanwhile, let's prepare the pineapple. Begin by removing the top with the leaves, then cautiously cut off the bottom, but ensure both parts remain intact. We will require them afterward, so peel the pineapple starting from the top to bottom. Next, remove all the leftover peel completely from the fruit. Take a large sharp knife and carefully slice the entire fruit from top to bottom lengthwise. Cut along both sides to remove the core from the fruit efficiently. Carefully remove the flesh and repeat this process with both halves in a similar manner. Place as much marinated meat as you can into the hollow space until it is completely filled to the brim with it. As I mentioned, other fillings are possible too. Then close the fruit again by placing the other half on top. Sprinkle pepper over the dish and apply the leftover teriyaki sauce as a coating using a brush for flavor. Now, reattach the bottom part. Use roulade needles to securely fasten it, and then repeat this process for the top using the leaves as well. Next, cover the pineapple using bacon or ham slices now. These won't cover the entire surface, so we'll turn the fruit. We layer it with another round of ham strips, then secure them with skewers. Then turn it again and secure the other ends with skewers too. With that, the preparations are complete, and we place the pineapple on the grill or in the oven. Ideally at 150 degrees, but 130 degrees with convection for 45 to 60 minutes. The size of the pineapple and the amount of filling inside determine this outcome. If you have a meat thermometer, 70 degrees core temperature is perfect. Every 20 minutes or so, open it up and brush the grilled pineapple with orange or apple juice. When it's done, it should look something like this. I think it looks appetizing. And when we slice it open, we can see the filling is cooked through. This grilled pineapple is something different and an original recipe that tastes absolutely delicious. I wish you lots of fun preparing it and a very good appetite. All that's left to say is see you next time. Goodbye!